Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to connect with big fish and grow your business. Whether you are a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or part of an agency, we will share some valuable insights on how to strategically build relationships with influential individuals and companies. So, grab your notepads because we've got some fantastic stories and strategies to dive into. Alright, let us start with building relationships with your past clients. It is a strategy that can yield great results. Imagine you have completed a project for a client and you want to keep the connection alive. Here is what you can do. Spend some time reflecting on the work you have done for them. Think about the value you provided and any future opportunities. Consider sending them an email. Share your thoughts on the project, what you have learned, and how you can continue to support them. If you are comfortable, propose scheduling a virtual coffee date or meeting to catch up. With things opening up again, you might even suggest an in-person meeting. The key is to keep the lines of communication open and stay engaged with your past clients. Now, let us talk about the big fish strategy. This involves connecting with influential individuals who can potentially refer clients to you. Here is a real-life example. Joanna shares her experience with Selena Su, a publicity expert. She joined Selena's newsletter and initiated a conversation by replying to Selena's welcome email. Joanna didn't approach this with a sales pitch, but rather to connect genuinely and build a relationship. She asked about Selena's work and engaged in meaningful conversations. During their conversation, Selena mentioned how she had helped others for free in the past, which had a significant impact on her brand. Joanna offered to provide her services for free, and Selena eventually accepted. This led to Joanna working with Selena, deepening their relationship and gaining exposure to Selena's network, including influential figures like Jim Quick and Lewis Howes. The takeaway here is to connect with big fish in your industry genuinely and be open to offering your services for free or at a reduced rate if it makes sense strategically. But what if you don't stumble upon these opportunities by accident? How can you proactively reach out to potential referral partners? Here is another example. Joanna shares a story about Delia Monk, a copywriter who reached out to her with an excellent email pitch. Delia's email was well crafted, showing that she had researched Joanna's work and provided a clear value proposition. She offered her copywriting services and even mentioned the possibility of white labeling her work. Joanna appreciated the thoughtful approach and decided to meet Delia for a virtual coffee chat. Fast forward, they've worked together on several projects, and Delia has become a trusted referral partner, generating significant business for Joanna. The key takeaway is to seek out potential referral partners with complementary skills and reach out with a well-structured, personalized pitch. Finally, let us talk about communicating your credibility. It is crucial to showcase your expertise and experience. Here's how. Include client testimonials and examples of your work on your website and social media profiles. Share case studies and success stories to demonstrate the impact of your services. Highlight any relevant certifications or achievements that build trust with potential clients and partners. Remember, credibility can be a powerful factor in converting leads into clients. That wraps up our discussion on connecting with big fish and growing your business through strategic relationships. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to build a client-focused business. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.